This is a 1972 Volkswagen Transporter T2. This is a camper conversion. It's been done by Devon Conversions. It's got the beds, it's got the pop-up roof, everything's there. It is in a bad state because it's been parked since they've came back. The original owner came back from a camping trip 25 years ago. As you can tell by the sticker, that was the last year it was on the road. And it's been standing. I haven't decided yet what to do with it really.
I don't know.
The good thing is, in 25 years time, it hasn't been welded, it hasn't been bodged up, nobody touched it really. The bad thing is, it is corroded, it is in pretty bad state, so it is challenging to say the least, but it could be worth it, I think. It is a brave restoration in all fairness. I'm not sure if I will have enough time to complete it. This is why I'm not keen on starting it, because if I would leave it as it is, that benefit of having it unmolested is actually good if you're starting out with this and you started from scratch and you do it the way you want it rather than fixing something that somebody else has started. So I'm not sure 100%, but I think we're gonna carry on with this after we've started with the Beetle, or if the Beetle's done, but probably in the meantime. Let us know what you think. See you soon and Happy New Year.